All right, so what we got here, 2021 Street Bob. The 114.
1874 cc.
All right. Let's hop on her. How we start this baby up?
Farthest button over to the right. Get down. The one next to it on the bottom. Hit it.
6 miles. Shee. Oh, what is going on today, YouTube? Got a little video for you guys today. I'm doing a first ride on 2021 Street Bob 1800 cc. Sheesh. So I don't know all the specs on it, guys, but you know, I'll let you know how it feels and everything compared to my 400. I like the sitting position though, it's comfy as fuck compared to the sport bike, obviously. See what this baby's got. Oh, hit neutral. Oh yeah, she feels nice. All right, so obviously it feels really planted. I don't know how much it weighs. I'll put it in. It's pretty powerful though, I'll tell you that. Oh yeah, she's got the beans, baby. She's got the beans. Yo, but this thing's so much more comfortable. I could ride this shit all day. I could do road trips with this shit. Yeah. Oh, skirt, shit. My bad, my bad. These controls are so weird. Yeah, he was like, you're getting on a 2021 Street Bob. I'm like, what? Wait, 8 miles? Brand new? Hell yeah, dude. Obviously the handlebars, I feel like they look kind of high, but like they're actually kind of comfortable. Not gonna lie, because I'm used to having like obviously my sport bike bars are kind of like in like that. Look, you do feel like a badass on this thing though. you gotta blip the throttle with it when I downshift. Alright. I think I'll be able to give her the beans real quick. If he lets me, let's see. Oh no, there's construction. Fuck. Oh yeah. Oh, I think there's a... It felt like there was like a limiter on it. Like it wouldn't let me go over a certain RPM. It felt like it was cutting out. I don't know why. Let's try again. He's like, oh yeah, I'm gonna switch him over to a Harley. Not yet, not yet. Hey, you guys stay tuned. We got something coming to the channel very, very soon. I like this thing though. I like the color too. The only thing that sucks is I can't see the RPM, so I don't know like really when to shift. Sheesh. It felt like there was a limiter on it when I shift. Huh? It felt like it would stop me at a certain RPM.
Yeah, it doesn't rev as high as the...
Hey, what the fuck? Oh, that's definitely why, yeah. Fuck yeah. Sheesh, this thing feels great. Ready? Let's go. That's definitely why it doesn't rev out to as high as a sport bike though, so I'm not used to that. That's right. How many?
That's why a lot of guys will go with aftermarket tuners.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. I'm used to my sport bike revving out to fucking like 15, 16,000. So yeah, I have to shift a lot faster. You have to turn the bars more too when turning. Cause like on my sport bike, literally you could just put your legs on the tank and literally just go like that, and it would, turns with ease. A little bit more work on her, obviously it weighs more and all that, but overall it's a fucking great bike, even on that low ride.
What do you think of her?
Oh, so comfortable compared to freaking the 400. It was so weird shifting because I'm so used to revving that out to 15,000, so it kept stopping. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah, there's a rev limiter on.
I don't know where like, cause you can't see the RPMs on here, so I don't know when to shift.
Yeah, you can. You have to put it here. You'll see this in a second. Okay, so you have to switch to hit the trip meter. It's your trip A, trip B, your reserve, your clock, and then there. So.
Oh.
So you just leave it in that, and then that shows you your RPMs.
Okay. Fun bike though.
What's that?
Fun bike. It feels so weird, like turning and everything too, because it's not. You have to move the bars more. That I could just, like I said, I could just put my legs on the tank and just go like this, and it turns. It's still, yes, a little bit, but like, obviously heavier and everything. So.
It's for a cruiser. It's still pretty. It's fairly lightweight for a cruiser.
Yeah. Well, how much is it? Yeah, I was telling them I don't know how much it weighs.
Yeah, because this is, you know, my bike's 850 pounds.
Mine's 360. So what's this? Like 5, 6?
Yeah, just under 6.
6. Okay. Damn.
What'd you think of the pickup and everything?
It picked up pretty good. I was surprised. Every time I shifted, it just kept going. Like, I feel like, I don't know. I feel like the power band's like, it's very linear. It didn't really stop, I feel like, at all. Cause you know some bikes low down, it takes a while to get into res before you get power. Mm-hmm. This just the whole way hit like 90. Sorry, Mom. Alrighty. So if you guys if you enjoyed videos like that, obviously comment down below if you want more. Cause my stepdad works up here. He's a salesman, great salesman. If you guys are down here in Medina or in Ohio, come to Stinger. They have a good selection of bikes. You know, let you test ride them, all that. So yeah, hit them up. Like I said, hit Quito. Best salesman here. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Over and out.